Greetings, scholars. I want to take a moment to give you an overview of the next unit that we're going into, which is the problem solution paper. Also, before I do that, let me clarify something with the reaction paper. One of the things that we're going to do this semester, you're turning in a good draft of the reaction paper and the problem solution paper. But as the semester proceeds, I'm going to go through each of your papers. I'm going to read them. I'm going to make detailed comments. And then at the end of the semester, you're going to revise these two papers. So I want to clarify any issues about you just submitting a draft. Yes, you are submitting a draft. It is a draft. But I want to take some time with each of your papers to go through, to read them, to comment on them. And then at the end of the semester, I'm going to give them both back to you, and you're going to do the revision. Okay. So on to Unit 2, the problem solution paper. Again, if you will, for me, notes, you have 2 weeks worth of assignments here, and it pretty much flows the same as the reaction paper. Make sure that you read carefully what is on the cover of the folders. Once you click on week 5 is your busiest week. And if I click on week 5 in the folder, you have 3 assignments. Each assignment, work the assignments in order. Do assignment 1 first, then move on to assignment 2. But make sure that you're reading the cover of these folders to see what's in the folders. Make sure that you're paying attention to the green due dates. These are the dates that the assignments are to be turned in on time. If I go into assignment number 1, understanding what a problem solution paper is, you're going to see a lecture video folder. You're going to see a handout on how to write a problem solution paper. You're going to see the quiz. In the lecture videos, there are 2 videos in here that I want you to watch. They're short. Again, make sure that you're paying attention to what is on the cover. Pay attention to the due date in green, which is the date the assignment is to be turned in on time. You also have a late submission date on here. After the late submission date, you will no longer be able to submit the assignment. You want to turn your assignments in on time in green and not turn in a bunch of late work, okay? You have the submission for the lecture video here. Click onto this handout because I did, after reading your reviews of the first reaction paper, I did give you a standard format to follow when doing your summaries, okay? Make sure, again, I'm not going to go through all of this with you, but just make sure that when you're going through the folders, go through the folders one at a time. Remember, each assignment, click onto the folder, look at what's in here. With assignment number 2, the problem solution videos and articles, make sure I gave you 6 videos, okay, that you're going to choose your topics from. These are all videos from last week tonight on hair discrimination, stand your ground. You only have to do summaries of 3 of these videos. I want to point that out. You watch all of them. Find 3 that interest you the most that you're going to choose to write your paper on. Okay. You're only going to choose one topic, though. You're only going to choose one topic to write your paper on, but I do want you to do a summary or take notes from 3 of the videos, your top 3 choices to do your paper on. I'm going to go back. Articles, the articles here match the videos, right? So if you do turn in the videos for hair discrimination, make sure that you also do the article for the hair discrimination. Again, you have 7 articles here. You're only required to do 3. Make sure that you're reading. Make sure that you are reading the instructions here. Your assignments are here. Everything is here. I'm going to go back to week 6. Week 6, again, this is just your submission week. you're going to write all of this week. I may go back and add some proofreading videos to this, but right now, if I do that, I'll do that next weekend. But for right now, your submission link is here. Everything that you need for this unit for these next 2 weeks here in the folder. Again, I may go back and add some proofreading videos to week 6 just to make sure that you are keeping up with your editing. That's all I have for you now. If you have any questions, as always, please email me. I will be happy to answer any questions that you may have. Good reading and writing to you. I look forward to working with you this semester.